What about you?
I am also fine, brother.
So,
Actually, I am from Kerala and I want to ask you something about Nadwa.
okay, no problem. It means you are my respected girl, so I am grateful to have you among us, and I will be much grateful to have a cup of tea with you.
No,
Please
thank you
come.
so much, Sonny.
Come, please. You are... Oh, what do you want?
Actually, brother, I have heard a lot about Nadwatul Ulama. Could you tell me what Nadwa is all about, its sounds, its goals, and why it was started?
Yes, absolutely. Nadwa is an educational and reformational movement started in 1894, and under its management, a Darul Uloom was established in 1998. And you are in the Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama. And the cool thing about it is that it is a confluence of traditional Islamic teachings and modern knowledge. Its founder, Maulana Muhammad Ali Mungeri, along with other scholars, wanted to establish an institution where students could learn both the traditional Islamic stuff and keep up with the latest happenings in the world.
Oh, but there is a question.
Yes.
Why did they feel to need to start Nadwa?
Well, back then, they saw the world changing fast, and they wanted to make sure there were scholars who could handle both the ancient Islamic teachings and the new challenges popping out. They basically wanted to produce scholars who could handle both, basically wanted to produce such scholars who could understand and interpret Islam through original sources, Quran and Hadith, as well as today's issues.
Cool. But what's Nadwa's goal for students?
Okay, Nadwa aims to make students not just book smart in Islamic studies, but also good people to make a positive difference in society. They wanted to produce such scholars who have copious knowledge of Islam and have strong values.
Nice. It sounds like Nadwa is all about that well-rounded education.
Yes.
Heartfelt thanks for your valuable.
Hey, where bro? Please. Do you have any more
I
questions?
think
Please.
you are busy, so I must go.
No worries at all. Just broach. I'm here.
Okay, thank you so much. So, brother, tell me, what is the 10-hour course of here?
Okay, good question. The period of course here is split into 4 stages.
Can you explain me?
Yes, sure. The first stage is a 6-year primary course teaching basic subjects including Hindi and English in kids' mother tongue. And the second stage is Mahad or Sanvi classes. It's like middle and high school classes teaching Arabic and Islamic science, English, general science as per the government norms.
Great. But what's the third stage?
Okay, the third stage is Kulliya, graduation classes. It is like high school, intermediate classes level. And this is a 4-year program equivalent to intermediate level. It focuses on higher education across streams, tafsir, hadith, fiqh, and Arabic literature and more.
I think that it's Alimiyat. I didn't get it at first. Tell me about Fazilat. What is it?
Okay, Fazilat is like postgraduate classes, also known as Ulia classes. Their students specialize in a specific stream, tafsir, hadith, fiqh, Arabic literature and more.
It's amazing. It's like a whole new level of expertise.
Yes, it allows students to gain mastery and command over their chosen subjects. And it is not mandatory for everyone, but it is like a specialization course.
Like a university.
Yes.
Thanks for explaining that. And Alimiyat too, I was unaware previously.
No worries at all. Do you have any more question? Just
Actually, brother, I am grateful for all this information, but I want to ask you some more questions. May I ask you if you don't mind?
yes, you may please.
So tell me, brother, how many students are there?
Okay, we have around 3,000 students.
3,000?
Yes, 3,000 students, covering all stages from 1st to 4th. And we have a course dedicated to memorizing the Holy Quran, focusing on the Hafstone and Qiraat al-Sab'a.
What about someone from abroad or a different curriculum? Is there a course? Is there any course to become an alim?
Absolutely. We offer a 5-year course for students from all over the world. And recently we have started a condensed course for those whose mother tongue is English and knows neither Arabic nor Urdu.
Any section for girls schooling?
Sorry, not at the moment. However, many alumni and well-wishers inspired by Nadwa's ideology have started institutions for girls. And they are following Nadwa's pattern.
Okay, brother. I have heard a lot about NESC also. What is NESC, brother?
NESC is Nadwa English Speaking Center. This is an English speaking center, an institution established in this year, and you are in activity hall of English Speaking Center.
Are you a student of NESC?
Yes, I am a student of this institution.
Oh, that's the reason you speak in English
Yes,
fluently. Great, mashallah. May God shower you with health and wealth. You have shared with me a lot of information regarding
I'm honored to have you and to introduce Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama before you. And it is a brief introduction.
Yes.
And we will discuss on it inshallah with detail on the dinner, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so
Assalamu
much.
alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.